Hi guys, with us sending out the ready-made horns, I thought it would be really cool to show you guys how to replace the tape after you've worn them all once. So I have a whole bunch of horns here that we're about to go put on the shop, and yeah, I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Alright, so you're going to need an X-Acto knife, just like this one. And you've already pulled off the old tape, and now you've put the new tape on. You've trimmed it with some scissors. Super easy stuff like that, okay? And let's break these apart to make them a little bit easier to deal with. Okay. Now the great part is that this Suk Wang, see here, that we use, the scrapbooking tape, the back side is actually really strong, so all you have to do is go around the bottom with your X-Acto knife. You don't even have to press that hard, and you want to leave a little bit of a gap so that you don't cut the finish or the paint. And yes, that is a real danger. Hey now. See, just like that. I don't think I'm using the right X-Acto knife. I think this is the good one. And, everything goes according to Hoyle. There we go. Should just be able to pull it right off. Just like that. There you go. Alrighty. We'll do it one more time for those guys in the back. Alright, I'm gonna make my little channel right here. Again, leave a nice wide gap. If you guys nick your horns while trying to reload the tape, I'll repair it, but you're gonna have to pay for shipping, and I will charge you for it. Okay. Then we pull off the adhesive. Just like that. And then you have, right down there, hey now. Oh my goodness gracious. Guess which part's about to get cut. There we go. Right there. See? Just pull it off. If you're using, obviously, a fresh razor like I was, just don't press that hard. Okay? This one. See? Just like that. Fantastic. Thanks so much, guys. Let me know what you think.